Hey guys, welcome back to Viv Care. Today we are diving into a topic every man should know about testosterone. Whether you are looking to build muscle, boost energy, or get your confidence back, this hormone plays a huge role. So, let's talk about the top 10 proven ways to naturally increase your testosterone levels. No steroids, no magic pills, just real science. Let's get into it. 1. Maintain healthy intimacy and relationships. Healthy sex life and emotional closeness boost testosterone and lift your mood. Connection, touch, and affection not only strengthen your heart, they also support your hormones. 2. Get enough zinc and magnesium. Both zinc and magnesium are essential for testosterone production. Even mild deficiency of these two can cause your testosterone levels to drop. Include foods like pumpkin seeds, oysters, lean beef, spinach, and almonds. Besides, even if your diet is lacking these minerals, you can take a quality mineral supplement. 3. Get enough sleep. Testosterone production happens mainly during deep sleep. Studies show that sleeping less than 6 hours per night can significantly reduce testosterone levels, sometimes by up to 15 to 20%. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Good sleep not only helps restore testosterone but also acts as a natural hormone therapy. 4. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise, particularly resistance training, is one of the most powerful natural testosterone boosters. Lifting weights and doing compound movements like squats and deadlifts stimulate muscle growth and testosterone release. However, avoid overtraining. Intense exercise without enough recovery can raise cortisol, which lowers testosterone. 5. Include healthy fats in your diet. Testosterone is made from cholesterol, so completely cutting fat from your diet can harm your hormone levels. Include healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, nuts, eggs, and fatty fish such as salmon. Diets rich in monounsaturated and omega-3 fats are linked to higher testosterone levels. 6. Manage stress effectively. When stress goes up, testosterone goes down. Chronic stress raises cortisol, a hormone that suppresses testosterone production. Simple techniques like deep breathing, mindfulness, or even a daily walk outdoors can help reduce cortisol and restore hormonal balance. 7. Optimize vitamin D levels. Vitamin D works more like a hormone than a vitamin. It also plays a direct role in testosterone production. Spend at least 15 to 20 minutes in sunlight daily or take a vitamin D3 supplement if you live in an area with limited sunlight. 8. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess body fat, especially around the abdomen, converts testosterone into estrogen. This leads to even lower testosterone levels over time. Losing weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise helps reverse this cycle and improves overall hormone health. 9. Limit alcohol and added sugars. Excessive alcohol and sugar intake can suppress testosterone by disrupting insulin and liver function. Avoid drinking alcohol every day. Besides, cut back on sugary drinks and processed foods. 10. Get medical advice if needed. Finally, if you've made these lifestyle changes but still feel symptoms like low energy, mood changes, or loss of strength, consult your doctor. There may be underlying conditions such as thyroid issues or low testosterone that need professional evaluation. So, those are the top 10 doctor recommended research backed ways to naturally improve testosterone levels. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit. Thank you for watching.